In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the messages not sending issue on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. When messages don't send on Etsy, it's usually caused by connection issues, app glitches, large attachments, or temporary account restrictions. Now, if you want to fix the messages not sending issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router, then try sending the message again. A stable connection is required for messages to go through. Next, refresh the app or browser. Close and reopen the app or refresh your browser page. You can also log out and log back into your account on Etsy to reset any session issues. After that, try reducing attachments. Large images, videos, or multiple files can block messages from sending. Send a simple text message first, then upload smaller files if needed. Then, check for any account alerts or restrictions. Go to your account settings and look for verification requests or unusual activity warnings that might be preventing messages. Keep in mind that temporary glitches can happen, so waiting a few minutes and retrying can often fix the issue. That's it. By fixing connection problems, reducing attachments, and checking your account status, you can quickly get your Etsy messages sending normally again.